Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry and I'm here to talk about the social-fi project Cell Lecture. This project enables monetization of expertise. Problems our app addresses. First, existing solutions are Web 2 based, using centralized payment systems, which are not always accessible everywhere. Second, creators need to find an audience interested in their content. Our solution is a Telegram mini app powered by smart contracts on the Ton blockchain, leveraging Telegram's capabilities and crowdfunding mechanics. Smart contracts enable direct relationships between stakeholders without intermediaries. In our case, these stakeholders are experts, community or group owners, and community members. The app allows any Telegram users to organize a lecture on a specific topic. Crowdfunding mechanics help gauge interest and raise the necessary funds for the lecture. Thanks to Telegram, our app can notify community members about upcoming lectures and allow communities to earn a percentage of the funds raised by their participants. Our potential customers are all Telegram users, which exceed 900 million today. Initially, we target users familiar with Ton wallets, at least 1 million people, and 7,000 groups to start with. Our business model is simple. People create lectures, which are smart contracts. They pay for lecture creation. We take a commission from each successful lecture too. We compete with traditional Web 2 solutions like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, etc., which have the drawbacks I mentioned earlier. Our plans are divided into 3 stages. First, complete the core functionality development. Second, conduct the first lectures, test our concept, and gauge the financial metrics. Third, marketing and full-scale launch. The value of our project for the Ton ecosystem lies in increasing the number of users utilizing Ton, motivating other projects to use our monetization mechanics for Telegram chat and groups. Our team, me, Dmitry Drinov, CEO and CTO of the project, a senior software engineer with over 10 years of experience in web application development, and our art director, Alexey Molchan, lead motion designer, mentor, and tutor with over 8 years of design experience. Please reach out and join our social networks to stay updated on the project. Thank you.